Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enable double tap to wake screen on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, click on motion and gestures. You will see if you want to enable double tap to wake screen on, you will see double tap to turn on screen is here. If you want to enable this feature, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, double tap to turn on screen is enabled. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable double tap to wake screen on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.